Hello everyone. Today's video is very important because this is about how to give an effective presentation and how to give an impactful presentation. Right? Now, if you remember the last video which we did on how to become a great communicator, but most of the times good communicators also cannot end up giving a good presentation because they both are different. Now let's divide this preparation into two phases. The first one is how to prepare and the second is how to deliver. Now, how to prepare for an effective presentation? First one is we should have a proper script. Yes, it's all about telling a story to the audience. So first step is to write a proper script and an engaging script, like how you should begin, how you should take off and how you should conclude. This should be in a very engaging manner. And the second one is concise your script, right? Because it's about bullet points, right? So concise your script so that what is the time you have and how much time you can utilize and what is the interesting manner to deliver it. So the calculation of content versus time is also very important, right? And the most important thing is keep the examples ready. Think about some real life examples and engaging examples which you can connect with the audiences, and if possible try to have some relevant humor examples which are without deviating from the main topic. Right? So by doing this, your content will be ready, and this is about how to prepare. Now, how to deliver, right? So first of all, don't be conscious when you go there. Yes, just be as normal because after preparing the content, it is must that you should practice it in your headspace, in front of your friends, etc., and that confidence you should bring to the stage, and you should not be conscious, right? And first thing is always start with a question. Yes, this is so many people say, and it is true also, because when you start the session with a question, there are two advantages. First thing is the people who are sitting there to deviate you or to distract you will keep silent, because even in our school, if you remember, when a teacher used to ask a question, we never used to have an eye contact with her, because the feeling of maybe the question will be asked to you personally, and that will work out there. And the second advantage is maybe some 10% or 20% of the audience who are sitting there with interest will actually start paying attention to you and will start thinking how this question is relevant to your topic. So that question should be interesting and relevant. So start with the question, and definitely the interaction will begin from there only, and there you can actually create a bond with the audience, right? Now the second one, when you deliver, always make sure that the eye contact, you should have a general eye contact with the audience, like an oscillating fan. And you should not choose 3 or 4 audience and you should just not pay attention to them. Every person is important, maybe the first person in the row or the last person sitting there. Everyone is important because they are giving their time or they are sitting there with some patience. So have a general eye contact with everyone. Third one, don't lose the track in between. How you have prepared the sequence, you should be intact, because when you lose the track, the awkward things will begin, right? You want to rush up, you want to finish, so don't lose the track in between. And fourth one, keep the humor alive. As you have prepared some examples, don't forget to give that examples on time, and if possible instill some humor which can make them relax, and that should not be again deviated from the topic, right? So these are the 4 points which you should definitely follow while delivering. And respect the audience. Yes, because don't assume that they don't know anything. Maybe one person or two persons who are sitting there are maybe more updated than you, and they are just listening what extra you can deliver to them, and it's all about impressing them. So respect the audience and treat them as like one of you. Okay, so by doing this, definitely from attempt 1, from attempt 2, attempt 3, maybe in 5-6 attempts, you'll end up giving an effective presentation, and life is all about improving, and learning is a never-ending process. Thank you.